what's good, everybody? This is Felix. I'm just gonna do a new and quick review of the 3D printed gauge pod defroster vent. I bought this from Import Image Racing. It's about 40 bucks. So it's a super easy install. It's just two little screws right here. There's a bar underneath that once you slide this into place, you tighten, and this keeps it all secure. Wiring the gauge up is self-explanatory. This is super simple and straight to the point, inexpensive. While driving, easy to monitor. It's right in the field of view. You have to make a little cut on this bottom section here. That's just to sit there and allow for the wiring to go right through as you plug it into the fuse box down here. I mean, this is the back of it. It's very clean, holds the gauge perfectly. It's not going nowhere, it's not moving nowhere. It's gonna stay with you the whole time you're driving.